Welcome back to WordPress Download Manager Tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to display all your downloadable files in a clean tabular layout using the WPDM All Packages shortcode. We'll also learn how to customize column headers, add extra package information, enable category and tag filters, and restrict the table to logged-in users only. Step 1. Create a new page. Provide an appropriate name. Now paste the basic WPDM All Packages shortcode. Click on Publish and preview the page. By default, it displays all downloadable files in a table format with columns like Title, Categories, Update Date, Download Button. This is a quick and clean way to showcase all your downloads. Step 2. Customize column headers. Now let's customize the column headers. We'll change the title column to package name and also adjust the download column size. For that, we'll use the column heads parameter. Inside the column heads, we will provide the new column header names and size, like this. Click on Update and preview the page. Now you can see the title column has been replaced with package name. The download column width has also been adjusted automatically based on the header content. Step 3. Add more package data. You can also display additional package information, such as version, description, tag, file size, author name, and more. Let's add version and download count. For that, we need to use another parameter called columns. The columns parameter defines which package data should appear in the table. Inside the column heads, we will provide the values, like this: title, categories, version, download count, update date, download. Here's an important note. The field names inside the columns parameter are fixed and cannot be customized, but the labels inside column heads are fully customizable. So the table data structure comes from columns, while the display names come from column heads. Now click on Save and preview the changes. You can see the newly added version and download count columns displayed in the Downloads table. This gives users more useful information before downloading files. Step 4. Enable category and tag filters. You can also enable category and tag filter dropdowns. This allows visitors to quickly filter downloads by category or tag. To enable this feature, use the category filter and tag filter parameters and set their values to true. Update the shortcode to display the category filter and tag filter dropdown like this. Save the page. You can now see the category and tags dropdown at the top left corner of the table. Visitors can easily filter and find downloads instantly. You can also filter categories by clicking on them. Step 5. Restrict access to logged-in users. If you want to protect your downloads table from unauthorized users, you can require login access. Simply add the login parameter and set its value to 1, like this. Save the page again and check it from an incognito tab. Now only registered and logged-in users will be able to access the downloads table. This is a great way to secure premium or member-only downloads. That's how you can fully customize the WPDM All Packages shortcode and create a powerful downloads table in WordPress Download Manager. Thanks for watching.